you on second round to finish your questioning. Thank you, Senator Cotter. Senator Boye.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and thank you both for the presentations today. They've been very interesting. I have a very quick question. It's for Professor Downie. And you spoke in support of the Sunset Clause and the ensuing practice guidelines. And I'm wondering if you have any other ideas on amendments or alternatives for the bill that would enhance the bill that we could consider.
Thanks for that. I mean, one would be, in fact, to remove the restriction to adults. Mature minors is a subject that's been studied extensively, and I think it's a violation of the Charter to exclude individuals who are under the age of majority who nonetheless have decision-making capacity. That is going to be the subject of the review, so I didn't go into that today given time constraints, but I would change that myself. So that one, because it's a charter breach. I personally, from a policy perspective, would have a broader final consent waiver, concerned in particular, for instance, about people who have stroke, then are at risk of further stroke, but would not be able to access the final consent waiver. That I would flag, though, that I'd be arguing from an ethics perspective and a policy perspective, as opposed to a charter perspective. I would say something with respect to extra legislative measures, so not in the bill, but something that you can still call for, and that is the government has said that they are going to take extra legislative measures to improve disability supports, which I think is the right way to go. You go parallel tracks. You don't preclude access, but you enhance supports. So I would call on the government to also have extra legislative measures with respect to mental illness. Again, do the parallel tracks where you recognize there are concerns about access to supports and alternatives, enhance those through extra legislative measures.
Thank you.
Thank you, Senator. Senator Boisvenu.